My name is Jinendra Sangave. My age is 12 and I am from Kolhapur, Maharashtra. My dream is in world champion.
We are here at the MMRT today. It's race weekend and the atmosphere is buzzing with chaos, excitement and tons of adrenaline. Now, some of you may have been trackside before, but I've never seen racing before. So I'm just going to quickly, in brief, tell you how it works. Basically, you have a main Pro Stock category. You have the 165cc and then you have the 301 to 400cc, where different teams bring their own motorcycles, tuned, designed for speed and performance. The other kind of racing that happens is the one-make championship. One-make essentially means that everybody is riding the same motorcycle.
TVS as a brand has had an extremely strong connection with motorcycle racing in India for over 38 years. They've groomed several national champions and have a history of developing competition-winning motorcycles across categories. One could say that they use the racetrack as their ultimate testing ground for new tech and design that, once proven in these harsh and extremely demanding conditions, finds its way down to their range of road motorcycles. And while it was thrilling to watch the racing action across categories, it was their latest initiative in this regard that really caught my attention. It's called the Rookie Cup, and it's an all-new one-make category created exclusively for young racing talent, complete with a specially built motorcycle.
This, even though it looks like the RR310, is actually the RR200. Now, this is a motorcycle that has been specifically designed and built for use by youngsters, ages 11 to 19.
Hi, my name is Shreyas and I'm 11 years old and I'm from Bangalore.
When did you start riding bikes?
When I was 5 years old.
This whole journey started because one of the MotoGP races we were watching, the prize distribution ceremony, and then he suddenly asked me the question that why the Indian national anthem never plays at MotoGP. And I told him that no Indian has made it that far. So he said, I can change that, Daddy. So it started from there.
Rookie Cup was created from TVS Racing for young talents to come into the racing, especially the 11-year-old, 12-year-old kids. We are looking for the next generation to hit the track, so they will go to the next level when they start in a younger age. The licenses are provided by FMSCI. So basically, they give you a license for a closed environment circuit racing or a dirt racing, anything. But you need to apply it and take it. So the basic for a road racing license is you need to have a first level certificate in order to get your license.
Yeah, I was started racing in 18 years old. That time I got a chance with TVS one make. That time I rode Victor 125cc. I competed with top guys. But nowadays kids got a more chance. They got a very good race-spec bike. So upcoming future is very bright for the kids.
All of players from Kolhapur, Jinendra Sangave.
Before I wind up this video, there are two things that I want to mention. The first is that I noticed this sense of camaraderie amongst the senior riders, the junior riders, the senior mechanics. Everyone takes every single rider in the pit lane, in the paddock, seriously. And that's something that was really fantastic to see, because even when the smallest of kids were coming with their feedback, the best in the team were at work to help them get ready for their race and do better. And I think really showcases the intention behind what is being done here. The second thing is that racing is actually really, really intense in India. Unless you're clued into it, you don't realize just how much passion and just how much money and time people are investing into this. Watching these guys here out on the track was inspiring for me. I've tried racing on the track before. I'm not a track racer. I've done the basics of it, so I know how much goes into this. And these little fellows are way faster than I can ever be. So I'll probably have to come back and learn from them on how to do this whole track racing thing. It's been an absolute privilege to be here. Even if you're not someone who enjoys track racing, I'd recommend find TVS Racing Official on social media, find some of these young racers, even the older ones, give them a follow, show them some support. They are really, really working hard, and the least we can do is just give them a boost so that eventually these are the guys who are going to bring laurels to our country on the global stage, and we need to back them all the way. Thank you for making the time to watch this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one.